Hello everyone. Post-harvest losses in rhizomes, turmeric, ginger, onion is astounding 7.3%, 1,350,000 metric tons, 80 billion rupees. My venture is solving this issue using our proprietary technology. This patented technology helps farmers to dry their rhizome crops and prepare the products for the market without having to depend on weather conditions. I am Sushil Shelke, founder of S4 Foods. Thanks for the opportunity to pitch and introduce my startup venture. I have 18 years of experience as a farmer and I have a life goal of giving back to the farming community. My team comprises of Dr. Sanjay Boya, who is the scientific advisor, and two directors, Sarjarao Shelke and Sindhu Shelke, who look after the functioning of MVP. We all have seen the unannounced frequent rains and peak summers. This aggravates the situation for turmeric farmers, for whom after 9 months of preserving his crops in field, harvest the produce, and in addition needs to do the primary processing that requires 1 month of sun drying. Challenges during this period are several attempts of layering, then collecting, and then covering their produce to shelter from the rains. I had myself lost 60% of my turmeric produce grown in 1 acre in the year 2016. We had a bumper production with 12 quintals of production and were very happy. The traditional processing requires sun drying and had layered these rhizomes under the open sky, and the unannounced heavy rains occurred at night, giving us no opportunity to salvage the same. Whatever was salvaged caught fungus and fetched very less price in the traditional market. Imagine the pains of 5.6 lakh farmers that grow 500,000 metric tons of rhizomes in only two states of Maharashtra and Telangana. We partnered with Agricultural University and designed an integrated processing line that helps overcome the vagaries of climate, especially unannounced monsoons. We set up working concept pilot plant by investing 1.5 crore of our own money. Fresh rhizome to saleable powder products are made 100% in-house now, eliminating sun drying. We offer this new technology to process fresh rhizomes into marketable products to the farmers community group. Infrastructure is the integrated processing line that helps overcome the vagaries of climate. We charge them a technology enablement fee of 8% of the project cost. We enable these organizations to run this facility. We undertake the vendor selection, installation supervision, and oversee the commencement operation for the first 15 days. In the market, fresh to saleable powder products, best quality, high yield, hygienic, and improved shelf life. We help market these produce attained from this facility by charging finder's fee 2% of invoice value. We will introduce customers, we will support the quality assurance remotely and market the products. We already have well-established networks, B2C, successful retail brands as Shivneri Masala and Integrals, and B2B supply to masala manufacturers and pharmaceutical companies. The farmer's produce is sold for 60 INR per kg in the open market, and the good quality powder products fetch 100 to 250 INR. Unable to do value addition, the farmer loses a lot. We have done the most difficult part of setting up the pilot plant and have run operations for 2 years, and also sold the new and unique finished goods worth 50 lakh rupees. We had several problems in procuring the fresh produce initially, as the farmers were conditioned for 150 years to do the processing themselves. But since last year, we have more than 100 happy farmers who supply the fresh produce to the facility. We had to undertake several modifications in the engineering design as theory concept to practical execution required many alterations, all undertaken in subsequent learnings over several trials. We currently have 20 interested parties for this technology. Partly the inquiries are from our recognition AGNI, Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India, and Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Maharashtra State. And others are through marketing to the farmers community through social media channels and participating in several farmers forums. What you get in the market for primary processing of rhizomes is traditional boiling and polishing machines which cost up to 80 lakhs and require 30 days of sun drying. Minuscule 12 kg solar dryer units which provide turmeric slices of 6 to 8 months shelf life as against 36 months that is attained through our process. The total market size of farmer cooperatives and food manufacturers is 7,800 crores. Our priority is to promote this technology to maximum farmer producer companies, organizations, commodity clusters, and common facility centers so that more farmers can benefit and end their post-harvest rhizome processing pains. The minimum capacity economically viable plant under our technology cost 110 lakhs. In summary, we hope that you partner with us in order to promote our technology to the farmers community who will minimize their post-harvest losses through their enterprise using our technology and make rhizome farming beneficial.